Hello guys, so I have been working on a new feature on my finance application. Of course, it's used for tracking your income and expenses, and it helps you to manage your budgeting. So here is the application. So let me run it. I'm going to log in using my username, and I'm also going to log in using my password. So when you log in, you're going to notice that I don't have any income, but I have expenses. The total income is 0, total expenses is 172.4k, and the balance is going to be 172.4k. So this is the dashboard. So the feature I have been working on is this bulk upload feature, whereby if you have income that has been maybe in a CSV file, you can just use this bulk upload feature. And for you to upload using CSV, the data should be in the following format. Yeah, the data should be in this format where we have the category, we have the month, we have the year, then we also have the amount. So this is how it looks like. So to test this application, I wanted to test it with different data sizes. So I had started with around 10 data size, of course, to test the application, and then I had tested it with 100,000 records, as you can see here, and then I also created 1,000,000 records. Okay, so we have 100,000, we have 100,000, and we have 1,000,000 records to test and push the application to its limit. As you can see here, also have the same thing: category, month, year, and amount. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this data using the bulk upload, and what it does, it splits the data into 100 records. Okay, so if you upload 1,000, it's going to be split into 100, like it's batch processing of the data to ensure that it's uploaded faster and the application does not freeze. And of course, MongoDB, since this application is using MongoDB, it can be able to not to cause errors when you're uploading too much data at the same time. So I'm going to upload. I'm going to start with these 100,000 records, and when you click, it's going to upload the records, and as you can see, it has finished. And these are 100,000 records, and when you come here, you're going to get your summary. So we have a total income of 137.5 million and 172.4k and a balance of 107.4. Okay, I know why it's causing that, because the year is supposed to be 2025. Okay, I'll deal with that later. So basically, this is 100,000 records. Now I wanted to test this and see that it's going to be and ensure that, and test this the application to ensure that it can handle even much more records. So I wanted to test it with 1,000,000 records. So let's try uploading that. Get Golang. Fine. Now it's in data. Now this one is 1,000,000 records, and the moment you open it, it's going to take some time. Of course, it's 1,000,000 records. It's going to upload the data. Okay, it's uploading. Remember, it's 1,000,000 records. I'm trying to push this application to the limit so that I can optimize it to the best performance. And it has finished uploading. Okay, it has successfully uploaded. And then I come to expenses. Then I come here to load, because it's 1,000,000 records, of course. And then you click on dashboard, it will take some time to load. And now that means I have to optimize these queries as well. So this is the feature I wanted to show you. So basically, you can use this application to manage your income, manage your expenses, can see it's updated 593.2 expenses, so that means the years are quite different. If they were both 2025, would have been, the difference could be right, because this one is assuming that the year is 2025 for this year only, but the data was generated. I think I forgot to include the year. Anyway, so the main feature was this bulk upload, and as you can see now, for the 100k it's working fine, but for the million I need to do some optimization. So thank you guys, and you can get this application here. Let me just show you where you can download it and test it on your machine. You just come here to moshecrafts.com, and then you're going to get this application. This is the finance application I'm talking about. Just download this application, and then we install it. And before you can use it, make sure you have MongoDB installed, because it's using Mongo for the install, for the data storage. So thank you guys, and see you in the next video.